your ear, back and forth, and I'm going to repeat 3 words, and then if you'll just repeat them back to me.
Exit coffee, cheese.
Okay. Do the same thing on that ear.
Gloves, cup, hair.
Okay. All right, so your hearing appears to be pretty good. And then the last thing that I would like to do is just check inside your mouth.
Oh, I had those almonds.
That's all right.
It'll be a mess.
Now, you can either use a glove or you can get a tongue depressor. It's up to you, whatever it is that you want to use. So
I have those holes here because of the wisdom, so that's even more of a mess. Oh, gosh. Nothing you haven't seen, though, right?
Just open your mouth and say,
Oh, man.
oh my God.
Ew.
Ew. So bad.
It's like a little squirrel holding little nuts in the back of those little...
Yeah, you gotta use your little syringe and
Just
squirt all
squirt
the
it out.
almonds
Flush
out.
it.
Just give me those for later. It's a snack.
That's what I would do.
She swallowed it all. So.
Black.
All right.
Smile. Just kidding.